Welcome. To access the sb2 platform, open an in-private tab in the browser and paste the invitation link into the search bar. Select the certificate with your name and sb2 subordinate CA. Enter your security key PIN and scroll to the bottom of the registration page. Agree to the terms and conditions, assign a short nickname to your security key and click Register. Touch the security key to save the credential and prove your presence, then enter your PIN to complete the verification. Touch your security key again and click Register. Then, click Continue to finish the registration and follow the on-screen prompts to sign in to the sb2 dashboard. To add a FIDO credential, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Security. Add FIDO credential. Create a nickname, then follow the on-screen prompts. Once the credential is added, you can add another or click Done for now to return to the dashboard.